Good day to all. I am an immense pleasure in handling these video classes. Today we are going to see organic chemistry first lesson, hydroxy compounds and ethers. I repeat, organic chemistry first lesson, hydroxy compounds and ethers. As far as this lesson is concerned, we can divide this lesson into two parts. One is hydroxy compounds and the next one is ethers. But first we are going to see the first part of this lesson is hydroxy compounds. So first we are going to see what do you mean by the word hydroxy. Hydroxy. Name itself gives the meaning, okay, which is none other than combination of hydrogen and oxygen in a molecule is called as hydroxy compounds. Yes, I repeat, hydroxy compounds is none other than combination of oxygen and hydrogen is called as hydroxy compounds. Got it? Yes. Next we are going to see what are the uses, which is otherwise called as applications. Applications of alcohol in our day-to-day life. Applications means what? Uses. எப்படியெல்லாம் நம்மளுக்கு வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா யூஸ் ஆகுது in our day-to-day life, okay, which is called as application. As far as this application is concerned, very important one mark is there in the first paragraph itself, so kindly make a note of it. The first very important one mark is cholesterol alcohol. Cholesterol alcohol, which is otherwise called as the most familiar cholesterol. I hope you might have known this, the meaning of cholesterol, isn't it? Yes, what do you mean by the word cholesterol? Korupu. Okay, right? Yes. So this cholesterol alcohol, which is otherwise called as cholesterol, which is a major component in our cell membrane. Major component in our cell membrane, which is the first very important one mark question in this paragraph. So kindly make a note of it. Yes, I repeat once again, cholesterol alcohol, which is otherwise called as cholesterol, which is a major component in our cell membrane. Yes, got it? Yes. Second one mark question. Second one mark question is vitamin A. Second one mark question, vitamin A. Vitamin A, which is otherwise called as dash. Vitamin A, which is otherwise called as dash, retinol. Kindly make a note of it. Yes, vitamin A is otherwise called as retinol, which is used in the proper functioning of our eyes. Proper functioning of our eyes. Yes, this is the second one mark question in that first paragraph. Yes, kindly make a note of it. Next, third one mark is none other than methanol. Methanol, yes, listen carefully, methanol, which is otherwise called as methyl alcohol. Methanol or methyl alcohol, which is very poisonous in nature. Yes, kindly make a note of it. Methanol or methyl alcohol is very poisonous in nature, which is used as an industrial solvent. Most of the industries, it has been used for solvent. Yes, what do you mean by the word solvent? Industrial solvent. Yes, say an example for solvent. Yes, say an example for solvent. Yes, water is an universal solvent, isn't it? Water is an universal solvent. Yes, likewise, alcohol is used as an industrial solvent, especially in the car batteries. Especially in car batteries it is used. which is used? Methanol or methyl alcohol. Okay, so this is the third 1 mark question in the first paragraph. Yes, let's see the fourth 1 mark question. Let's see the fourth 1 mark question in that paragraph. Fourth 1 mark question. Ethyl alcohol or ethanol, a very famous compound. Yes, ethyl alcohol or ethanol, which is used as an alcoholic beverages. Alcoholic beverages is used as in what? Alcoholic beverages. Beverages includes wine, beer, etc., etc. Right? So this ethyl alcohol is also used as an additive. Additive means what? Addition. Additive to petrol for automobiles. Petrol oda kalandu வண்டிகள் இயக்கிறதுக்கு பயன்படுகிறதுன்னு அர்த்தம். வேற ஒண்ணும் கிடையாது. Alcoholic beverages, and also it is used as an what? Additive to petrol, which is used for what? Yes, automobiles. Okay, clear? Yes. So last but not the least, the fifth 1 mark in the first paragraph is, nowadays we are using this often. Yes, I am coming to the point. As for corona, isopropyl alcohol, which is used as, yes, hand sanitizer, which is available in all the medical shops nowadays. Hand sanitizers. So hand sanitizers contains what? Isopropyl alcohol. Okay, whereas this alcohol, okay, which means what? Ethanol or ethyl alcohol can be used as an alcoholic beverages, but isopropyl alcohol is used as an hand sanitizer. So these are the very, very important 1 mark question in the first paragraph. Yes, children, as I said you many times in all my classes, 1 mark is the deciding factor to get centum. Yes, moving on to the next one. Classification of alcohols. I hope all of you have understood the first paragraph. So first paragraph, uses. Yes, again I am going to say, yes, you can listen very carefully. In the first paragraph, we have seen the first important 1 mark question. Cholesterol alcohol or cholesterol is used as a major component in our cell membrane. The second one is methanol or methyl alcohol, yes, which is used as an industrial solvent. Next, vitamin A or retinol, yes, which is used for the proper functioning of our eyes. Then ethyl alcohol, yes, which is used as an alcoholic beverages and also an additive to petrol for automobiles. And last but not the least, isopropyl alcohol is used as an hand sanitizer. Yes, got it? Yes, next we are going to see is classification of alcohols. A very, very important 5 mark question. Classification of alcohols. Children, you have to take a notebook and a pen and you have to write whatever I am writing on the blackboard. Okay, yes, classification of alcohols. So this classification can be done in 2 ways. The first way is based upon the number of OH. Based on the number of OH. The first classification is based upon what? Number of OH present in that molecule. Okay, so this can be classified into 3 types. One is dihydric alcohol. Kindly make a note of it. Dihydric alcohol, trihydric alcohol, and hexahydric alcohol. alcohol. And also it is further classified into monohydric alcohol. I am going to explain step by step. Monohydric alcohol. Yes, again I am repeating this. Classification of alcohols. The first classification based on the number of OH present in a molecule. Yes, first is monohydric alcohol, dihydric alcohol, trihydric alcohol, and the last hexahydric alcohol. Okay, right? Yes, I am going to explain one by one. The first one is monohydric alcohol. First one, monohydric alcohol. Mono, name itself gives the meaning. Monohydric. Hydric means what? Presence of OH. Right? What is hydric? Presence of OH. What is mono? Yes, what is mono? Single. Mono means single. So, name itself gives the meaning. Single OH. So, what is monohydric alcohol? 2 mark question. What is monohydric alcohol? Individual 2 mark question. Monohydric alcohol is nothing but presence of, a very important keyword, presence of only one OH. Presence of only one OH is called as monohydric alcohol. So the most important keyword is presence of only one OH in a molecule. Yes, is called as what? Monohydric alcohol. Yes, example. Yes, what compound it is? Can anyone say this? Yes, obviously it is methane. 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 Yes. Now can you able to say CH3 bond H? Yes, this is also methane. On replacing one hydrogen, okay, instead of one hydrogen, I am going to add one OH. Okay, so this is called as, up to this what? Methyl. Up to this what? Alcohol. So, on joining, you can say it as what? Methyl alcohol. So, in methyl alcohol, you can see very clearly, yes, how many OH is present? Yes, you can say how many OH is present? Only one OH. You see, only one OH is present. So, it is an example for monohydric alcohol. Mono means what? Single. Okay, presence of a single OH in alcohol is called as monohydric alcohol. Yes, example we can say what? Methyl alcohol. Sir, can you put one more example? Yes, of course, I can able to write one more example. Second example, CH3, CH2, OH. Yes. Why? Because presence of OH, okay, only one OH in a molecule, so it is called as monohydric alcohol. The name of this alcohol, ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol. Right? So the examples may come as a 1 mark question in your examination, so kindly make a note of it. Okay, any example they may ask. Okay, but you have to choose on seeing the structure of the compound. Okay, if there is only one OH means easily you can recognize that it is a monohydric alcohol. Yes, moving on to the next one, dihydric alcohol. Dihydric alcohol. So can anyone say what do you mean by the word monohydric alcohol? Presence of a single OH in a molecule is called as a monohydric alcohol. As example, methyl alcohol or methanol. This one, ethyl alcohol or ethanol. Yes, next we are going to see is dihydric alcohol. As usual, name itself gives the meaning. Dihydric alcohol. Yes, what do you mean by the word di? Yes, you can say. Di means two. Okay, mono means single. Okay, di means two. Mono means single. So 2 OH. So presence of 2 OH in a molecule is called as what? Dihydric alcohol. So the definition is presence of, and another important 2 mark question. presence of classification of alcohols is a very important 5-mark question. So in that 5-mark question, individual 2-mark may come. So kindly make a note of it. This one is a very important 2-mark question. What do you mean by the word monohydric alcohol? So similarly, what do you mean by dihydric alcohol? Presence of 2 OH is a very important keyword. The presence of 2 OH is called as dihydric alcohol. Okay, clear? Okay, good. So for this we are going to see example. So what compound it is? Can you able to recognize this compound? CH3 bond CH3. CH3 bond CH3, which is none other than ethane. CH4 is called as what? Methane. CH4 is called as methane. CH3 bond CH3 is called as ethane. CH3, CH2, CH3 is called as what? Propane. CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3 is called as what? Butane. So methane, next ethane, next propane, next butane. Moving on to the next division, dihydric alcohol. Name itself gives the meaning. Di means 2, hydric means OH. So presence of 2 OH in a molecule is called as what? Dihydric alcohols. Yes, I repeat, in a molecule, presence of 2 OH is a very important keyword for this question. Okay, so what is dihydric alcohol? Yes, presence of 2 OH in a molecule is called as what? Dihydric alcohol. Yes, next we are going to see is example for dihydric alcohol. So what compound it is? Can anyone say this compound? CH3 bond CH3 is none other than ethane. On replacing one hydrogen in both the part, and instead of one hydrogen we are going to add OH. So what compound it is? It is named as ethylene glycol. Ethylene glycol, which is otherwise called as, the IUPAC name will be, is what will be the parent compound for this compound? Yes, the parent compound is ethane. Okay, in our textbook it has been given as ETHAN. Both are correct. ETHANE you can write, or ETHAN. Okay, both are correct. Ethane, and you have to number this one. So this OH is present in the first carbon, and this OH is present in the second carbon. So ethane will be the parent compound, and the children will be in the first place one child is there, and the second place is another child is there. So the parent compound is ethane 1,2. Okay, in the first position. And then in the second position, yes, which is present? OH is present. So in the first position and in the second position, yes, OH is present. Yes, how many OH is present? 2 OH is present, isn't it? So diol. Yes, what do you mean by the word diol? 2 OH in a molecule is called as what? Diol. Yes, this CH3OH. What compound it is? Yes, this compound is none other than methanol. Methan plus all. METHAN. Methan. Okay, methan will be the parent compound. Who will be the child? Yes, OH will be the child. So methan plus OL. Okay, only single OH is there. Okay, so we are adding water. Only single OL. Yes, but here presence of 2 OH is there. So we are adding water. Diol. So you're adding what? Diol. Yes, let me do another example. CH3 single bond, CH2 single bond, CH3. Yes, what compound it is? Propane. What compound it is? Propane. On replacing one hydrogen in all these three paths, yes, instead of one hydrogen, we are adding OH, and OH. Sorry. Yes, any two place you can add. CH2OH, CHOH, and this will become CH3. Okay. Then you have to put the number, okay, first place and in the second place. So propane 1,2 diol. Propane 1,2 diol, which is otherwise called as a very important 1 mark question, propylene glycol. Propylene glycol is otherwise called as dash. Yes, propane 1,2 diol. Yes, similarly for this one, okay, ethylene glycol is otherwise called as what? Ethane 1,2 diol. Okay, similarly propane 1,2 diol, which is otherwise called as propylene glycol. Clear? Yes, you may ask the doubt. What doubt means? CH3 single bond, CH2 single bond, CH3. In the first step, you have substituted the OH in the first position and in the second position. Doubt may arise. Why don't you put the numbers in the first position and in the third position? Yes, you can put the numbers in the first position and in the third position by replacing one hydrogen, CH2OH, and this one also CH2OH, and this becomes the parent compound will be propane again. Yes, but instead of 1,2 diol, yes, you have to add 1,3 diol. Propane 1,3 diol, which is otherwise called as the same as that of like the previous one, propylene glycol. Propylene glycol. So these are the examples for dihydric alcohol. First example, second example, and the third example. Okay, but in textbook only one example is given, which is none other than ethylene glycol. Right? Okay, then moving on to the next one, trihydric alcohol. Trihydric alcohol. Name itself gives the meaning. So what do you mean by the word dihydric alcohol, children? Dihydric alcohol is an alcohol in which two OH is present in a molecule is called as what? Dihydric alcohol. Yes, what is monohydric alcohol? Monohydric alcohol is an alcohol in which single OH is present in the molecule, means it is called as a monohydric alcohol. Yes, now we are going to see the last part. Trihydric alcohol, sorry, one more part is there. Trihydric alcohol, name itself gives the meaning. Yes, tri means three. This one, hydric means OH, so presence of three OH. Yes, take down the definition. Presence of three OH in a molecule. Presence of three OH in a molecule is called as what? Trihydric alcohol. Yes, let me do an example. Yes, you are going to say the name of this compound first. CH3 single bond, CH2 single bond, CH3. Yes, can anyone name this compound? Yes, you can say. Yes, this compound is named as propane. 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 Yes, what do you mean by the word trihydric alcohol? Presence of three OH. So on replacing one hydrogen, I am adding one OH. Okay. After that, again by replacing one hydrogen, I am adding another OH. And I am replacing one hydrogen, I am adding another OH. Okay, you see presence of 3 OH. OH. So presence of 3 OH in a molecule is called as what? Trihydric alcohol. Propane is the parent compound, and first place OH is there, and in the second place OH is there, and in the third place OH is there. So propane 1, 2, 3 is what you have to add. For mono you have added last, OL you have added last, isn't it? For dihydric, what you have added? Diol, isn't it? Diol. So what will be for trihydric? Can anyone say? OL. This one. DIOL. And this one TRIOL. Clear? So propane 1, 2, then 3, triol. Presence of 3 OH in a molecule is called as triol. Clear? Which is otherwise called as a very important 1 mark question. Kindly make a note of it. Propane 1, 2, 3, triol is otherwise called as dash glycerol. Glycerol. Very important 1 mark question. Glycerol is otherwise called as propane 1, 2, 3, triol, which is otherwise called as what? Glycerol, which is further otherwise called as glycerin. Glycerin, GLYCERINE, glycerin. So 3 names. Propane 1, 2, 3 triol is otherwise called as glycerol, yes, which is otherwise called as glycerin. Glycerin is another important 1 mark question. Glycerin is the commercial name. Commercial name for glycerol, which contains 95% of pure glycerol. 95% of pure glycerol is called as dash. Yes, you can say the answer. Yes, glycerin. Yes, I repeat, commercial name for glycerol is called as what? Glycerin. Okay, glycerin consists of dash 95% of pure glycerol. Clear? Yes, kindly make a note of it. Next, I am going to do another example for trihydric alcohol. Trihydric alcohol. I am going to do another example. Let me do another example for a trihydric alcohol. Previously we see glycerol for the class of trihydric alcohol. Yes, now we are going to see the another example for trihydric alcohol. So before that, you have to say this name of this compound: CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. Yes, what compound it is? Yes, this compound is none other than butane. Okay, why it is called as butane? Presence of 4 carbon is called as butane. Okay, in any organic compound, there are 10 millions of organic compounds arises now. In all those 10 millions of compounds, a small trick is there for writing all the names of 10 millions of organic compounds. Yes, now I am going to share this through this video. If any organic compound consists of only 1 carbon, means the name will be starting from meth, only 1 C. If it is 2 C, means the name will be starting from eth. If the molecule consists of a 3 C, means the name will be starting from prop. If it is 4 C, means the name will be starting from but. For this easy understanding, I am going to write a sentence for easy understanding. Is none other than monkey eats peeled banana. Monkey eats peeled banana. So monkey stands for methane, eat stands for ethane, peeled stands for propane, banana stands for butane. Okay, so there are 10 millions of organic compounds are there. In all those 10 millions of organic compounds, you can apply this trick. Clear? Yes. Likewise, yes, you can apply this trick. 1, 2, 3, 4. So name will be starting by bute. So butane. Okay. So instead of one hydrogen, we are going to add one OH. Yes, instead of one hydrogen, we are going to add one OH. Yes, instead of one hydrogen, we are going to add another OH. Okay, presence of 3 OH in a molecule is called as what? Trihydric alcohol. Yes, next step what we have to do? You have to put the numbers. First place, second place and the third place. Yes, what will be the parent compound? Butane. So first place OH is there, next second place OH is there, then third place is OH is there. So butane 1, 2, 3 triol. Butane 1, 2, 3 triol. Clear? Yes. Let me do another example for trihydric alcohol. Trihydric alcohol, the same compound. CH3 single bond CH2 single bond CH2 single bond CH3. So put the numbers first. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear? Yes. So presence of OH by replacing one hydrogen, CH, OH and CH, OH. CH2OH. Clear? So first place, second place and fourth place. So 1, 2, 4. First we have to write the parent compound butane. Next 1, 2, 4 triol. Is it clear for you, children? Yes. Shall we move on to the next topic? Yes. So I repeat once again, what is trihydric alcohol? Trihydric alcohol is an alcohol in which 3 OH is present in a molecule which is called as trihydric alcohol. The most familiar example is glycerol, which is otherwise called as glycerine, which is the commercial name for glycerol. Glycerine consists of how many percentage of glycerol? 95% of pure glycerol is called as glycerine. Yes. Moving on to the next one, hexahydric alcohol. Hexahydric alcohol. Hexahydric alcohol. So mono means what? Single. Di means what? 2. Tri means what? 3. Tetra means what? Tetra. 4. Penta means what? 5. Hexa means what? 6. Okay, 6. Yes. Hexahydric alcohol, which means presence of 6 OH in a molecule. Yes, underline the word, underline the important keyword. Presence of 6 OH in a molecule is called as what? Hexahydric alcohol. Yes, let me do an example. Only one example is there for this hexahydric alcohol. So CH3 single bond, CH2 single bond, CH2 single bond, CH2 single bond, CH3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there. 5 means pentane. So you have to add one more CH2 and at last I am going to write CH3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hexane. Hexane will be the parent compound. In all these parts, you have to replace one hydrogen by OH, one hydrogen by OH, one hydrogen by OH, one hydrogen by OH. hydrogen by OH, hydrogen by OH, and at last we have to put the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So hexane 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times of OH is present, so we have to add X. Since it is an alcohol, you have to add OL, Xol. Hexane 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, Xol. Why we are adding Xol? Because presence of 6 OH, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we are adding what? Hexane 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, Xol. So this is an example for hexahydric alcohol. So we have completed the first part, yes, which is none other than classification of alcohols based on number of OH in a molecule. Okay, I hope all of you have enjoyed this video and as well as you have acquired the knowledge as well. Okay, thank you for watching.